Hello friends, today we shall discuss exercise 2.5 question number 6. Write the place value of 2 in the following decimal numbers. Let us take one decimal number to explain this one. Suppose the decimal number is 5, 4, 3.2, 3, 1. Right? Now here we know that this 3 is in ones place, that is this is in ones place, this 4 is in tenth place, and this 5 is in hundred place, right? And after the decimal point, this 2 is in tenth place, tenth, right? And this 3 is in hundredth place, hundredth place, and this one is in thousands place, THOUSANDTH, thousands place. In this way, we can find the value of this one. That is number 1. Number 1 is 2.56. 2.56. Here you see, this is in ones place, right? This is in ones place. This is in tenth place, and this is in hundredth place. Therefore, the place value of 2 here, the place value of 2, place value of 2 is ones, right? Now question number 2 is 21.37. Here you see, this is ones place and this is tens place, tens, right? Therefore, the place value of 2, the place value place value of 2 is tens, right? Now question number 3 is 10.25. Here you see, the place value of 0 is ones, the place value of 1 is tens, and this place value of 2 is tenth, TENTH, tenth. Therefore, you can say the place value of 2 is is tenth, right? Now question number 4 is 9.42. 9.42. Here you see, the place value of 9 is ones, the place value of 4 is tenth, and the place value of 2 is hundredth. That is HUNDREDTH, hundredth, right? Therefore, you can write here that the place value of 2, the place value of 2 is hundredth, HUNDREDTH, right? Now question number 5. Question number 5 is 63.352. 352. Here you see, this is the place value of 3 is 1's place, this is 10's place, this is this value, the value of this 3 is 10th, the value of place value of 5 is 100th, and the place value of this 2 is thousands. That is T H O U S A N D T H, right? Therefore, the place value of 2 is thousands. That is T H O U S A N D T H, right? This is the solution of question number 5 of exercise 2.5. Dear friends, if you like this video, please subscribe, like and share. Thank you everybody for watching this video.